Okay, so ginger, basically what we want to do is decide how much we want, take a little spoon, and the easiest way to peel ginger is just to scrape it back like that. It's really easy and it's kind of fun as well. You see what I mean? And then if you want to chop it, or whatever you want to do with it, it's ready peeled to go. So if you want to grate it, use a very fine grater and grate away. And that would be good in ginger tea and lots of different recipes. And the thing about grating it really finely like this is that you get a nice even infusion of ginger throughout the dish, so you don't get loads of chunks in there, and it dissipates and floods the dish with a gorgeous fresh ginger flavour.